All right, guys. We're about to start right now. I'm looking at gold currently. Gold is looking good for sales. I just need like pull back to the upside, and you're most likely in this trade. Okay, guys, we live. Okay, guys, delete self stop and wait for the 30 minutes. Delete self stop, guys. Just delete self stop. Let's wait for this candle to close. Then we know what to do. Let's wait for the early candle to close. Then we execute all the next, probably the next one. But if the trade moves and it needs us, it's fine. But let's delete self stop. Let's do a proper top down analysis. Then from there, we can pick up any trade from there. But for now, let's delete self stop. Let's get out of this trade. Let's get out of this trade, guys. Let's get out of this trade. Let's get out of this trade. Let's do self stop. Let's do self stop. Let's do a proper top down analysis. Then from here we can decide what exactly we're looking at. Wait for the chain and on close. So I'm updating the group. Now let's dive deep right in. So let's go over to our daily time frame first of all. That's the first thing I need to do, and tell you, just look at the daily. So the daily is bullish. Let's clear up everything. The daily is obviously very bullish. You see the whole bullish momentum on the price. You can see it. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me set it up. Okay, three got that mistake. I just I didn't close all my position. That's crazy. Let me check if everything is closed. 1 second, guys. I didn't close all my position. Okay, I'm all good. So let's go over to daily. Like this is the daily time frame. Okay, so this is the daily. So daily is bullish. If you go back to yesterday, at the start of yesterday's trade. Oh, I forgot one thing. I will call out thank you for this morning, thank you for today. Bless you for this day that given unto us. Lord, as we're about to start trading and looking at our setup, guide us into the right path. And whoever in the stream, bless them, bless the household, bless whatever they do in the mighty name of Jesus. In Jesus' precious name I pray. Amen. So first of all, quickly look at our first factory, and I noticed that we have NFP today. Today is NFP. So I would likely stream NFP by 120 today. So there's a possibility of streaming NFP. So just stay tuned for it. So I'm likely to stream NFP. So just you can see that we have news by 130. So I likely just look at what's going on in NFP. So let's go back to gold. Now you can see gold. This is the gold daily. Gold daily, I talked about it yesterday that we're on a bullish trend. When price break above this level, now, like I said, if it was a lower time frame confluence, I'll look for opportunity when price flip to buy the price, and that's exactly what price is. You can see that even if you use the daily as your whole analysis, you can put like a 150 pip stop loss and price 150. So these are basically like one-to-one, same thing we do on a much lower time frame. That's exactly what price did on a higher time frame. So that's just simply the same thing price did. So let's go over. I'm trying to rush this so we can just look at what price is doing currently. So if I go over to my 4-hour time frame, I can see that on the 4 hours, price is approaching a level of resistance. If I'm not mistaken, okay, I think this is the level of resistance price was about, but there was like a market gap that pushed the price above because price starts where it's initially supposed to start. So this is actually where the resistance level looks like it's forming, but I'm going to adjust it on the hour time frame when we get to 1 hour. So if I look at my setup here, I see that price has a support below here. There's also another level of support below this structure too. So this is what we're looking at, and there's a whole range on the left hand side, which is this is the whole range here where price can cover, and this is about 330 visits. So if I go down to my 1 hour time frame now, you can see a much cleaner setup, a much cleaner support time. So I have to adjust my resistance to the upside on the 1 hour, which I believe I'm supposed to adjust when I go to the 30 minutes. This is where I have my resistance level. And looking at this, I see like there was a possible opportunity that land this level, and I think like it played out. Like if I go scale down to my 30 minutes, now I can adjust my own 30 minutes levels to this point. You see price address, you can see there's actually a setup around this level here. Actually the setup, this is a very nice setup. We are bringing a buys above this level, stop loss below 33 pip, and price move for 190 pip. So this is a very, very good trade, but there's no how we would have been active by 6:30. So if you guys were active by that time, you can look at what's going on, but there's no how I've been active by 6:30. So let's go over to the 15 minutes. Let's see what the 15 minutes is doing. So on the 15 minutes, price has created a level of support. We have a new support here on the 15. We have 4 more minutes to the end of this candle. We have a range at the top of 40 pip. So let's see if we're going to get a closure above this current level. So if you get like price closing above the level, like some bullish closure above, you get me, something like this, bullish closure like this, closing above all this level like this, it's like a weak rejection. Then if you get a retest of the structure, then you can look to buy the price to the upside. Possibly if there's a lot of volume, price can keep pushing this to the upside. So let's look at the 30 minutes. Let's see what 30 minutes is telling us. Okay, the same thing. So let's just wait and see how it plays out. Then we know how we're going to play it. Hopefully it doesn't just move in one trade, because it's possible God is crazy. can see it's just 3 minutes remaining, and you can see that the price can decide to just do the entire move. So you need to just be careful and mindful of how you place a trade with gold. So that being said, we're going to wait for the next 3 minutes, and in 3 minutes we'll know how we're going to execute this trade. So that being said, let's just also look at 1 second, guys. I need to check. Let me bring out something on my chart. So let's look at GJ. Let's quickly look at GJ. So GJ is looking good. Okay, we have a bearish momentum. So this might be looking like a fake out. So if I get a sell on GJ, you might actually get a sell on GJ. So this is, and also if you can get an engulfing candle, then GJ is going to be good for sales. But you can see it's looking like a breaker in test of this structure here. So let's go first for a daily time frame. Look at daily. So daily is bearish. Daily is obviously very bearish. That's broken below some level of structure. On GJ, I might actually look at GJ today. I might actually place a trade on GJ today. So you can see that GJ has broken below some structures. You can see structural low. So this is looking like more like a fake out. But this price retesting the level, and price might likely dip to very nice. So price might likely dip to these levels like this. You get to this level. So this is what I'm looking at on GJ right now. So let's go over to the 4 hours time frame. 4 hours, you can see price is just retesting that same level. It's rejecting it. We don't know what we're going to do, but we have a level here on the 4 hours, which I feel like I'm going to adjust when I go to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour, let's go back to the 4 hours too. So then in 4 hours, let's see how price has related of this level. You see price has related of this level before, here to even here as well. That's similar things doing currently now. So if I go over to my 1 hour time frame, I can see that price is kind of leaving like a weak rejection, which is good. If I go to the 30 minutes, which I just checked, is a big bearish candle. On the 15 minutes, now it's looking like a fake out on the 15th. Like a fake out on the 15th. So let's see if price can close strong. Then we look for a retest and we can look for sell. So price close strong like this. Then look for a retest, then you can look to sell the price on the downside to these levels. This is something you can see on GJ for sales, but for buys, same on this level, price has also created a level of resistance here. So if you can see some kind of support, so this like price creating the support level down here. So that would be price pushing up to the upside like this, a strong bullish momentum. You can see clean candles on the left, so you can get a better buys like this. So this might work better for buys too as well. So this is what I see on GJ, and that's it. With that being said, let's quickly go back to gold and let's see what gold is doing, or how gold is about to end. So gold is ending strong bullish, but we need a top wick. If it doesn't get any top wick, we don't get any entry in top wick, guys. And it has gone halfway through. That's crazy. We need top wick. 1 hour. Let's see 1 hour. The 1 hour is closing right. Did that close for? Anyways, let's see. Let's wait and see. Let's see. I don't think it's our trade. I don't think it's our trade, guys. So I think the trade is just going to move. Let us wait and see. It's closed like on the 1 hour. It closed like right at resistance. So I don't think I want to place a trade where price is right at resistance. This is like 1 hour. This is 1 hour resistance here. So I don't want to place a trade on the 1 hour resistance. This is literally the biggest. So this is not a trade, and you can see it's already moving. So let's see, do whatever it wants to do. If it breaks above, we can likely see get another opportunity for something else. So I feel like we have, let's look at our left. Let's see if we have any range on the left. Yeah, we have pink candles on the left as well. So let's just wait the price to do what it needs to do. So I can take this out again. I don't need it anymore. So what's going to happen on gold right now is that I can look for sales below here. Sales below the structure here. Buys above price above this level. So this is my levels now I'm working with. So let me put this at sales below, sell below, and price above. So this is what I'm working with right now. So this is what I need price to do. I'm going to patiently wait. Why that's happening? Let's look at DJ. If DJ is doing something I like, DJ, how did DJ close? How did DJ close? Close below the structure though, but I feel like it's probably going to push up or something. I feel like it's probably going to push up. So let us wait. So if I take this down, let's wait. Let's wait on it. I feel like it's going to push up or something. So you can adjust this to this level. So it's better like this now. Price has created the support, and we also have a resistance. So if the next candle close like bearish below, then you can sell this. Let's wait. I feel like this opportunity is going to eventually come out on any of the trades. So you just have to sit down, relax, and wait for the don't wait for magic. Wait for magic. So whatever the price does, that's how we're going to like respond and try to make money off it. So we're not the one that moves the market. We really trade to based on what we see. You get? Does that make sense? So that's it. We're waiting, guys. Let's see. Let's see what's going on. Let's go back to good. Let's see what's going on good. Okay, gold is currently rejecting that level, which is good. Let's see. We're just 34 minutes into the stream. Let's see how it plays out. Let's wait. See where it is. Let's see how it plays out. Gold is rejecting. DJ is what? DJ is pushing up onto. Let's know one of the two didn't give us a nice opportunity, so we just have to wait. Let it play out. Also going to be a nice opportunity, we have to wait. Waiting, guys. We're waiting. We're just waiting for candles to close. So we have about 10 minutes more. Looking for buys above, sales below. For gold, it's well marked. This is my structure I'm working on. This is the whole. This is the whole bias. I know even though we're in a bullish trend, it doesn't mean that price cannot create some lows before actually deciding to push. Is like go to this direction, like where it likes to want to move or something. So you need to have like multiple buyers on the market or what price wants to do. So that's really good. I also feel like the volume is not good. Like, I also feel like there's not going to be much volume. I also feel like there's not going to be much volume based on NFP. I don't feel like the volume is not going to be there that much because of NFP. NFP is today. So tomorrow is bank holiday as well. So I feel like the volume is going to be like I feel like the volume is going to be like very low. Very low. You get. So now I feel like that's what I feel like is going to happen. I feel like the volume is going to be very low. Based on anything. So let's wait guys. Sorry guys, what was I saying? So we have about 3 more minutes, and I was saying that if this trade was the trade that we missed today from this point here to this point, price move about 90 pip, and we didn't get it. So this was the trade, and this is NFP. So price likes to take his time to make his move. So what's going to happen is that if price doesn't do anything in the next 60 minutes, because the 15 minutes kind of about to end in basically less than 2 minutes. So if it doesn't do anything in 15 minutes, or this current time frame is about to end, that will be it. Then it will likely come back online later in the afternoon for NFP. So that's just what's going to happen. Or if this 15 minutes count now give us what we need, close below the structure, it's going to be like a fake out for me right now. It's going to be like a fake out structure for me, which is this 50 minutes closing back into the zone and all. Do you get me? So it's going to be like a fake out structure for me. But let's just wait and see. I feel like even in the next 15, I wake up once you break the low, I feel like it's going to drive bearish. Like that's what I'm kind of anticipating. That's what I'm kind of anticipating. But let's wait. If we miss it, we miss it. There's nothing we can do about it. I can't force the trade. I can't change the trade. But don't worry, we're good for the week already. Good for the week. I think we already got like 2 wins today. We had one on Monday and this one as well, and one of yesterday as well. So very good. We're good for the week. So let's see. Let's just see. Let's just monitor and see what's going on. 19 more seconds. 19 more seconds. All right, guys. Okay, the 50 minutes has ended. It ended back in June. Like I said, it's my drive. The moment it breaks slow, it might drive to the downside. The once it breaks slow, you might just see it push to the downside. That's something you can anticipate on gold. You get me? That's something you can anticipate on gold. But that being said, you have to just wait. It might also be a double bottom price to do what I want to do. You get. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Well, it's exhausting. I'm sure that it's very exhausting. Price is just in the range right now. I feel like price can decide to be in this range for the whole section. That's how crazy gold can be. I feel like price can decide to be in this range for the entire section. You get the entire section. Or you might get to sell though, but this is a very impulsive entry. Very impulsive. Sell below the structural price, suppose above here, price might move down. That's just basically it, but nothing to do now. But if you are looking or you are tempted to do anything like that, what I would advise you to do, instead of just jumping the guns, wait for 5 minutes candle to close below. Understand? For me, I'm not even bothered about it. I'm waiting for my whole entire structure. Let's just wait for the 30 minutes. Let's be like a 30 minutes to engulfing candle. And after the 30 minutes, we can look for entries inside. So that's it. So wait 12 more minutes. In 12 more minutes, this one candle push down here. No wahala. For afternoon, the fan not trade. That's it. One second, guys. One second. Alright, guys. Nothing's going on. Gold is not doing anything. Push down, push back up. I don't know. We're just playing around. So we just wait. Okay, let's look at GJ. I didn't bother about GJ again. So what did GJ do? What did GJ do? Oh crap. GJ actually pushed up. Like pushed up a lot. Oh wow. GJ pushed up. Push up play too. But this current card is also pushing up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait for the 30 minutes to close on GJ. So when the 30 minutes close, if it gives like a weak projection, we can look for a retest, then we can look to buy GJ as well. So that's just it. Or GJ might even decide to fall back into the range. So let's just wait and see how it plays out. Let's wait and see how everything unfolds. Then we know exactly what we're doing. Understand? Okay, let's just wait. Let's just wait, guys. Look at gold as well. Gold is doing a lot. Okay. See there, just sit there, just see messing around. So we have about 8 more minutes to wait and ask to know if we're going to place a trade or we're going to call it a day. So let's wait 8 more minutes. We know our fate. So I'm going to while wait time. You can go and come back in by 8:30. Just distract yourself from the chat so you don't get attached or don't be seeing what you're not supposed to see. So one thing I know about trading is that if you look at the chart for too long, you start seeing setup that are not there. I don't know if that makes sense. If you look at the chart, if you stay on the chart for too long, longer than you're supposed to, you start seeing crazy setup. Like setup that after you probably placed it, whether you make money or not. Be like, why do I enter this? Like, why? I'm not seeing anything. I'm not seeing anything that will make me even want to enter this trade. You understand? So that's it. Okay, guys. Let's wait. If you miss the move, We trade goals and levels. So be it, guys. So let us wait it out. 7 more minutes. I'll be back. If you have anything to ask me, you can ask me on the chat. If anything you want to ask me, you can just ask me. Type it down. chat and I'll answer you. So that's it. So I'm waiting, guys. All right, guys. We have about 4 minutes to the end of candle, and price is just moving around. I don't know what it's trying to do, but it's just moving around. So we wait, guys. Let's wait and see. So this candle might play bullish and start pushing upward. The possibility of it, like I said, this might actually be a double bottom. You get my be a double bottom. Or prices might just get some kind of level break below the structure. I don't know. But we wait. Imagine I say this my sales below, my buys are above. But in 4 minutes, if I don't get anything I need in 4 minutes, then I'm going to call it a stream. You send it, then we'll come back for NFP and look for changes. So that's how it's gonna be. Okay, that's how it's gonna be. Alright, guys. What is about to end? I don't know. I'm very skeptical about the trade right now. I don't know if I should actually consider it. I don't know if I actually consider it. I don't know if I actually consider it. But let it end. Let's say it ends. Let's say the next candle. If it ends, when it ends, let's say the next candle pull up. Let's say the next candle pull up. Let's look at GJ quickly. So GJ has closed, gold has closed. GJ, I need like back on GJ. Why gold? Why gold is not doing anything? Okay. I think we'll give opportunity here. Put the stop loss in 15 minutes high. I don't know. Gold is squeezing right now. Gold is squeezing right now. Okay, I'll still give this a try. You know what? I'm still gonna give this a try. I feel like if it flips, it's going to move. So let's just give it a 35 p or 33 p. You get. So I'm gonna give this a try. I'm sending this out now, guys. I'm sending this out. So let's wait. Let's see. This shit might not actually play out. Though. It's not looking like I'm feeling like I want to force this rate, but it's looking good on the 30 minutes. I didn't look above this high. This high is invalid. It's looking like a valid structure. Valid. It's looking valid. Let's see if we get the flip. Let's see how the 5 minutes close, and let's see the next 5 minutes follow. You understand? So once the next 5 minutes breaks is low, I feel like we're going to push down a bit. So let's wait and see. It's just trading based on market structure. You get me? But although the way this candle rejected, like see the big rejection, and this candle closing very small. So and this candle now forming a low and breaking above this high. So this indicates that price might likely want to push up. But looking at the 5 minutes, I feel like why I still put it there, because I felt like probably this candle is creating a top wick, like this 5 minute has a top wick. So I feel like this candle is creating a top wick for the candle. So if it flips bearish, I believe that it's supposed to move to the downside. So that's just based on what I'm looking at right now. Let's see if that's the case. Let's see if that's the case. If that's not the case, seeing like price is pushing up. Okay, I'm deleting sales stop now. I'm deleting sales stop, and I'm just deleting sales stop, guys. So I think the other price following is trend. Initial bias is bullish, so I think that's it. That's it. I think that's it. I think that's it. So I'm deleting the sell stop. I'm deleting the sell stop. I'm deleting the sell stop. Where is it on my phone? Let me type it out for you guys. Delete sell stop again. Crazy. So I think this is where I will call it off. Delete sell stop again. So again. So I think this is where I'll call it off. I think this is where I'll likely call it off for today. So you can see where trade my C player, I don't know, but this is where I'll likely call it off. Probably let's just wait for the next 15. Let's see how the next 15 reacts. Like this current 15, let's see if it's going to reject this moment. Let's see if it's going to reject. Because I feel like the trade might actually see play out. You get, I feel like the trade might see actually play out. Like you might see actually play out. Let's wait. You also adjust. So let's see put it in. Let's wait. Let's see how it plays off.
Recording in progress.
So we're about to get activated, guys. We're about to get activated. We stay active, guys. Please active, guys. Please active. So in terms of management, how would I like to manage this team? I'll let you guys know. I'm a kid player, I'll let you guys know. When we get to 10 people, I'm going to start training some position. Right. So 10 people should be around I like that know. Please active, guys. So monitoring it. Let's see. Remember, we have like 30 something people of us. Crazy. You just get ready to, once you get to 10 people, get ready to move your stop loss to break even, guys. So the 15 minutes is about to end, and ultimately is closing below, so this is good. I'll give it 15 minutes closing below, so this is good. So let's see if this next 15 minutes can give us the drive we need. Let's see. So guys, 10 people in profit. Move stop loss to break even. 10 people in profit, guys. 10 people in profit. Move stop loss to break even. Then people in profit. Stop loss to be. Let's see if we can get price to fill up this week. Let's see if we can get price to that. It's almost at 20 people, guys. So we're risk free, guys. We are risk free on the trade. No more, we don't have any risks on the table. We just want to try price to move and give us good trade. Like we're literally risk free on the trade right now. We're trying risk free. So let me see. Shade, move now. Why are you just dancing? Move. So close to 20 pip, guys. So close to 20 pip. So we're 20 pip. We're currently in 20 pip, guys. Now we're 20 pip. 20 pip. $22 pips profit. Let's wait. Might get stop at BE, guys. Might actually get stop at BE. But let's wait. Let's see if this trade will actually push down a bit. So why I'm leaving the trade, why I'm not closing anything, because we're already up for the week. So let's see if this trade is going to run and going to fall, like going to run down. But we're already up for the week. So let's just see. So this is me just waiting to see what unfolds, how this trade just turned out to be. You understand? Already probably we're good for the week already. So hopefully if this trade falls, it's going to be the trade that just passed my entire profile. You get, so I'm already up. So if this trade can fall, but it's not looking that way. Looking like it's going to hit me at B. I'm fine with whatever. I'm fine with whatever. If you want to close, you can close your position. If you want to close, you can close your position. But I'm okay with it. My support is 37 pip. Our price have not even moved up to 30 pip yet. Price have not even come down to 30 pip. We got to like 24. So although this was what I was looking to close some position, when price gets to this spot here, which is like 33 pip. So let's wait. Let's see if we're going to get stopped at SL breaking even, or price will this 5 minutes countdown will flip bearish and price will push down. Let's see. Let's see, guys. We're waiting. This is a wonderful trade. So he's pushing back. So he can't have split bearish. So let's see if we're going to get that push. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So we're still safe on the trade. Let's see if we get that push to the downside. We're still safe, guys. Let's see if we get that push. Well, you can look to close position now because it's back at I think what's my running out? Okay, it's almost back. It's almost back at 20 feet back. So once you manage positions, you want to close anything, you can close anything. Just because I'm holding doesn't mean you should hold. You get me? Because I'm holding doesn't mean you should hold. I just want to see how, because I've already made money this week, so I just want to see how this trade unfolds. I don't know if that makes sense. I've already made money this week. I don't say it should unfold. So that's it. We might actually get BE. Wait, guys. I didn't think I'll wait again till like another hour. You get, so this is like this is the second time I'm streaming close to okay. Yesterday we closed like okay. Anyways, let's see. My guys up at B. So whatever it is a win for me because obviously I have like multiple accounts, but my small account I already closed for position. But my profile, I'm looking to put it to my profile. In sense, I'm already up for the week as well, but I'm just looking to move it just in case the price wants to move down. So if it moves and gets to this point, I will end up closing around $700, and I'll just be left with like $100 capacity. So that's just going to be left. So that's why I need price to actually push down to this level. So I'm okay with whatever outcome comes. You get what I'm talking about. So the 5 minutes has ended now. So let's see. Let's see. Are we going to get BE? You can see where our entry is. Yeah, but I feel like market spread brought it down to this point here. So this is my entry here. So once I get to this point, which is approaching now, I'm about to go to, yeah, BE. So that's it, guys. We got stopped at BE on that one. By the other one, everything's out. Everything's out, guys. Everything's out. So that being said, this was a very good trade. I don't know, a very good trade. I waited for it. Price is what I like. Price is what I like. I'm okay with the results. I'm okay with the results. So guys, see you guys later this afternoon when we look at NFP, look to trade NFP. So peace out. So I'm going to just mark it as BE. I'm going to market the trade as BE, guys. I'm going to mark it as BE. Even though I know I want to trade somewhere else. So. That's the funny thing. This trade now might dump. That's the funny thing. This trade might likely dump. If they are still holding it, that's cool. But if trade might dump now, it might actually dump. Like my dump. Crazy. Anyways, that's it for today. That's a wrap. So see you guys in the afternoon.